Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Halan wa salan, my Arabic learners. Now, welcome to another part of our Learn Arabic. Now, inshallah, in today's video, we are going to be talking about some kalimatu muhimmatul tahadduth, some useful Arabic words for speaking. That are kalimati muhimmatul tahadduth. That is some useful Arabic words that's for speaking. So we have aina, mata, alladhi, leti. So we have to 10 kalimats, that is 10 words here. So, and then if this is your first time of watching my video, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscribe please. This is going to motivate me. If you subscribe to my YouTube channel, it's going to motivate me to be able to make a lot of videos about Arabic. Now, the first kalima is we have aina. That's the first kalima we have here. Aina, it means aina, where. That's aina. It means where. We have aina. It means where. Then we have mata. Mata. That's when. Mata, when. Mata, when. Mata, when. Then we have alladhi. 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 That is which. Which. Alladhi, which. Then we have alleti, which. It also means which. It has the same meaning with alladhi. Alleti and alladhi, they have the same meaning. But alladhi, that is for masculine. We use alladhi for masculine. Don't worry, you are going to use this kalimat, that is these words, Arabic words, to form some phrases, inshallah. Then we have awlai. That awlai, that is awlai, those. It means those. That is a demonstrative noun. That is demonstrative noun. It means those. Those. That it means those. Those, that is those, but that is lil qarib, isharatul lil qarib. That is demonstrative noun. That is for someone or something very nearer to you. Then we have ulaika. Ulaika, it means those. Those, that is demonstrative noun as well. Lil ba'id, for someone or for something that is intellectual or non-intellectual, that is very far away from where you are. It means those. It has the same meaning with ulai, and ulai, they have the same meaning. Then we have man, who, it is who, man. Then we have kaifa. Kaifa means what? How. Kaifa. A lot of people do say alpha, that's a kaifa. This is alpha, that's alpha, ow, that's a kaifa. Then we have mada. Mada means what? It means what? Mada, what? Mada, what? Then we have thumma. You can repeat it after me. Thumma, that's a thumma. It means then. Thumma. Then we have hada. Hada means what? This. Then we have dhalika, dhalika, and tilka. These two words, they have the same meaning. These two kalimats, kalimatani, hadani, kalimatani. That is, these two words, they have the same what? They have the same meaning. It means that. That is also a demonstrative noun. That. Then we have limada. 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 That's a limada. It means what? Why? Limada means what? Why? Limada, it means why. So here are kalimat, we are some Arabic kalimat, that is Arabic words. Muhimmatul tahadus. This is for speaking. If you are looking for a way to boost your Arabic learning, so just take your time to study this kalimat. Now we want to use this kalimat to form some Arabic phrases, inshallah. Now the first is we have aina. Aina, that's aina. Let me clean this one up. You have aina. Aina, that's aina. Aina. That's the first kalimat. That's the first kalimat. We want to use aina to form sentence that if I say aina turid an tadhhab, aina turid an tadhhab, أين تريد أن تذهب. أين تريد أن تذهب, that is where are you going. أين تريد أن تذهب. أين where تريد, that's want, that is تريد. أين تريد أن تذهب, where are you going. أين تريد أن تذهب. أين تريد أن تذهب. This is تذهب. This ba as fatia. It is because of this an. And it's supposed to be tadhabu. This bar, it was the bar, the fatia here. It's supposed to be what, doma. But because of this an, it turns to what? It turns to alif. It turns to fatia. That is aina turid an tadhhaba. Aina turid an tadhhaba. That is where are you going. Aina turid an tadhhaba. Where are you going. Aina turidu an tadhhab. Where are you going. Now, let's say, how do you want to say, where is my mother? You already know that, where is my mother? That is ummi, that are my mother. You have, I use aina, that is aina, ummi, that is ummi, that's ummu. This is ummu, we have ummu, that is plus ya. Yahu and mukhatab, that is, I'm the one talking to myself, I'm referring to myself. Yahu, that's yahu. Yaw mutakallim, sorry, yaw mutakallim, that's ummi, that's my mother. Aina ummi, where is my mother? The same thing to abu, we have abu plus what, plus ya, let's say abbi, it turns to abbi, that's my father, abbi. Aina ummi, aina abbi, where is my mother, where is my father? We have mata, when, Mata, that is a mata, that's a when, that is a when, mata. How, if you want to say, how do you say, when do you pray? That is, when did you pray? How do you say that in Arabic? You say, mata tusalli, that is a mata tusalli. That is mata tusalli. Mata tusalli, that is, when did you pray? Mata tusalli, that is, when did you pray? Mata tusalli asri, that is, when did you pray asri? That is salatul asri, that is salatul asri, when did you pray asri? Mata tusalli asri, that is, when did you pray asri? Mata tusalli asri, that is, when did you pray asri. Then mada ta'kul, when did you eat? Mada, that is a mata, that's a mata ta'kul. Mata ta'kul, when did you eat? Mata ta'kul, when did you eat? That is, when did you eat? Mada ta'kul, when did you eat? Mata ta'kul, when did you eat? Now we have alladhi, that's alladhi. That's, now let's use alladhi to form another phrase, that is a هذا طالب ذهب إلى بيته. Or let's say هو الطالب الذي يدرس. هو الطالب الذي يدرس الحساب. هو الذي that is هو الذي يدرس. Or let's say هو الذي يتعلم العربية. هو الذي يتعلم العربية. That is يتعلم العربية. هو الذي يتعلم العربية. That is هو الذي يتعلم العربية. That is the one that learn Arabic. Is the one that learn Arabic. هو الذي يتعلم العربية. هو الذي يتعلم العربية. Is the one that learn Arabic. Now التي, that is التي هي, that is هي التي hiya allati, that's for the female. Hiya allati, that is hiya allati, hiya allati dhahabat, hiya allati dhahabat, dhahaba, that is she's the one that went to. Hiya allati dhahabat, that is she's the one that went to ila, let's say ila al masjid. Let's use masjid. Ila al masjid, that is she's the one that went to the mosque. هي التي ذهبت إلى المسجد. هي التي ذهبت إلى المسجد, that is she's the one that went to the mosque. Now let's use how will I, those. How will I to lab? How will I to lab? This, those, that is the plural. That is the plural of hada. This is, we have hada, hada. This is the singular, that is demonstrative noun. This is also a noun, that is the demonstrative noun. Now the plural of this hada is what? How will I? It is this how will I. This, we have talib. Let's clean this one up. We have hada. This is hada. That is the what? The singular of how will I. Hada talib. You say this is a demonstrative noun. This is also a demonstrative noun. This is the singular. Why this is the plural. Now hada talib. You can't say hada tulabu. That is how you can say hada tulabu. This is what? This is wrong. Because hada, it is singular. Why this tulab is, it is what? This tulab is the plural. Hada, you can say hada tulab. Qad waqa'ata fil qatar. That qad waqa'. If you say hada tulab, qad waqa'ata fil qatar, you have made a mistake. Qad waqa'ata fil qatar. That is, you have made a mistake. Hada, you can't say hada tulab. Hada tulab. You say haulai tulab. That's the correct phrase. Haulai tulab. That is haulai tulab. That is haulai tulab. That is haulai tulab. Those students. Haulai tulab. Those students. Haulahi. That is haulai al-awlad. Haulai al-awlad. Those children. Haulai tulab. Those students. Now we have laika, those, but haulai, this is demonstrative now. Near, that is nearer, close to you, nearer, close to you. But this haulaika, this is also a demonstrative now. Hulaika, it is also a demonstrative now. That is someone intellectual, that is on something intellectual, that is non-intellectual and then intellectual. We use hulaika for both intellectual and then non-intellectual. Hulaika, that's a hulaika. We have hulaika. That's hulaika. Hulaika, that is those. Hulaika. Hulaika al-awlad. Awlad. That is hulaika al-awlad. Hulaika al-awlad. That is those children. I'm referring to a lot of children up to, because plural start from what? From two, according to what the scholars say. That's what the scholars say. The plural stand from what? From two. Mutanna, that's two. That is the doubled. 2, 3 upward. Ulaika al-awlad, that is those children. Ulaika tulab, those ulaika tulab, those what? This is intellectual. Now for the non-intellectual now. How loud? That's children. They are what? They are intellectual. Now for the non-intellectual, that's, let's say masjidu. Masjidu. It is singular, that is mosque. I mean mosque, masjid. Then the plural of mosque is what? Masajidu. That's going to hulaika al-masaj. That is hulaika al-masajid. That is ulaika masajid, that is those mosques. Ulaika masajid, it has become plural. Masajidu, you have masjidu. Masjidu, you have masjidu. This is the singular. Why this is the plural? Masajidu is the plural. The singular is the word is masjidu. That are masjidu. Now we have man. Man huwa, that is who is he. Man huwa. You have man, that is man huwa. Man huwa, who is he? Man huwa, who is he? Man huwa, that is who is he? Man hada rajulun. Who is this man? Man hada rajulun. Man hada rajulun. Who is this man? Man hada rajulun. Man hada rajulun. Who is this man? Man hada, man huwa, man, who is he? Or man here, or let's use man here. Here, that is here. That is who is she? Man here, who is she? Man huwa, who is he? Man hada rajul. Man hada rajul, who is this man? Man hada rajul, who is this man? Or let's say man dhalika rajul. Man dhalika rajul, that is who is that man? Who is that man? Man dhalika, that man. Man dhalika man dhalika rajulun. Who is that man? Man dhalika rajulun. Man dhalika rajul. Who is that man? Man hadha rajul. Who is this man? Who is this man? Demonstrative now. Hadha. This hadha, it is demonstrative now. Lil qarib, someone near. Then dhalika, that is also a demonstrative now, but someone far away from you. That man dhalika rajulun. Who is that man? Man dhalika man hadha rajul. Who is this man? Now the last one we have kaifa. That's how. How. Kaifa, that's how. That is now. Kaifa tahmal. Kaifa tahmal. Kaifa tahmal sayarat. That is, how did you carry the car? That is, how do you carry the car? Kaifa tahmal sayarat. How do you carry the car? Kaifa tahmal sayaratu. How do you carry the car? Kaifa, that is how, it means how. Hamala, that is tahmalu, that is you carry. Sayara, that's car. Kaifa tahmalu sayarat. How do you carry the car? Now, that is, let's use kaifa. Kaifa tashrabu al-ma'u. Kaifa tashrabu al-ma'a. Kaifa tashrabu. كيف تشرب الماء؟ كيف تشرب الماء يحار. That is, how do you drink the hot water? Hot, it is what? حار means what? Hot. كيف تشرب الماء الحار. That is, كيف تشرب الماء الحار. كيف تشرب الماء الحار. How do you drink the hot water? كيف تشرب الماء. كيف تشرب الماء الحار. How do you drink the what? The hot the hot water. How do you drink the hot water? So these are what kalimatu muhimmatu litahadith. This kalimatu, that is the most important words for speaking. This can also boost your Arabic learning. If you are a beginner, just take your time to watch the video over and over again. So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscribe, like, and share. So see me in my next video. Assalamu alaikum.